Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use one-handed mode by moving the whole screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. On your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you're using the phone with one hand, so you can learn how to activate and customize the one-handed mode by shrinking the entire display in one finger. So here, as an example, I can go ahead and reach over to the top right or to the top left on this screen with just my fingerprints going around in this small area. So let me show you how you can do this on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, you'll need to open up the Galaxy Store. From the Galaxy Store, you need to go ahead and download the Good Lock app. Go ahead and install that app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're looking for a plugin called One-Handed Operation Plus, which looks like that. Tap on that. Now go ahead and turn this feature on. And we'll go ahead and use the left handle. So tap on the left handle. Now we'll go ahead and use this gesture here, straight right. So tap on this. Now we'll go ahead and scroll down and find the move screen option, which looks like that. So select that. So now to turn on this move screen feature, you just need to go ahead and swipe right from your left side. And this will basically turn on your move screen feature. And you can basically reach anywhere on screen with just this small space. So wherever you leave your finger, this is where you're going to tap on. So this makes it super easy to use your Samsung S25 Ultra with one hand. So it's perfect for on-the-go use. So there you go, guys. That is how to use one-handed mode by moving the whole screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.